Claire here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a delicious, healthier spin on coconut ice. It's one of my favorite treats from when I was little, so I'm just going to get started and I'm going to use the Vitamix A3500i. So I'm going to start with 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 2 cups of puffed rice, and I've got 3 tablespoons of rice malt syrup in there. You could use maple syrup or whatever liquid sweetener you want. And to that, I'm going to add 50 grams, or 50 mils really, of some melted coconut oil. A little bit more. You can hear it crackling away. And then just a tablespoon of some coconut milk. And we're going to blitz it to get a nice consistency and then pop it into our baking tray. So with the Vitamix Ascent, make sure your lid is in place, otherwise it won't work. Pretty simple. It'll have that little circle with a dash through it. And let's give it a couple of blitzes. So we've got speed 1, I want to bring it up, let's say 7, and go. All right, so we've done blending and this is the perfect consistency for me. Still pliable, so you can pop it into the bottom of your tray. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. Like a little breadcrumb. This is delicious, just that coconutty smell. All right, we'll get the rest out. Looking good. The puffed rice is quite neutral, so not really adding too many complex flavors, which is great. And it's delicious. So give that a good pat down and set that in the fridge. Doesn't matter how long because it's quite solid anyway. Okay, so the white layer or the cream colored layer is setting in the freezer. We're going to pretty much do exactly the same thing. We're going to add in 2 cups of puffed rice. Oh gosh, I'll probably pour it all out of the container now. About 2 tablespoons of rice malt syrup, the rest of our coconut oil, tablespoon of coconut milk. And now, this is the fun part that can get messy. I'm gonna make just a homemade natural food coloring. And what we've used is our Raw Blend hemp nut milk bags. As you can see, I've just got some plain grated beetroot in there, which we can always add to a smoothie later on. And then I've strained it to get the most beautiful color. And it's literally just pure beetroot juice. I want to make it quite a dark color. Let's do a little bit more. And hopefully that'll give us the delicious color we're looking for. So as you can see, we've got the nice sort of pink pastel color. So I'll pour that on top. Spread it out so it's even. And then a trick I like to use is just pressing down with a spoon. Get around the edges first. And then go throughout the middle. You could always put some melted chocolate on top to really jazz it up, but I'm just paying homage to the treat that I loved when I was a little girl and still love today, but I wanted to do a bit of a healthier spin. Coconut has great fats, rice malt syrup is fructose free. We'll just set this in the fridge for a little bit. Shouldn't take too long because it is quite solid already. And then we'll show you a picture of the end product. Happy blending!